Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the Lariat package and the 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbo Diesel. That is running smooth, so go ahead and take it for a tour. Let's have the LED headlight surrounds, tow hooks up front, fog lights up front, polished alloy wheels, and the FX4 off-road package, tow package, spray on bed liner, power sliding back window, Alright, you have black pinhole leather interior, and there's a 110 volt outlet right there and a 12 volt as well. Tons of space back there. Keypad. There's your VIN right here, and I will upload some still photos as well, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. If you look down here, you'll see that it has 163,804 miles on this vehicle. And then here you have your cruise control, your trip computer, your stereo controls, your push to talk. You got your ignition and key fob there, and 2- and 4-wheel drive trailering controls. And down here you have your other comfort controls and stereo. You also have a disc drive right there, and then another 110 volt right there as well. As you come up here, you'll see that your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your climate controls, and then your Bluetooth and your navigation as well. You want to see the backup camera? There's your backup camera right there, and you see that you do have reverse sensors as well. You come up top and you have a bank of Upfitter switches, and then you also have map reading light, and you have 2 more USB charging ports and a charging station down there, along with cup holder and additional 12 volt power supply down there, along with stowage and 2 glove compartments. That about wraps it up for this Ford on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact right here in the front driver quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.